In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to look at some problem solving involving numbers. So we're going to have a look at some exam questions. The first of these is the question 2 from paper 1 from the year 2013, and it's the project math style question. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is read through the question. Then we need to take out the key pieces of information. And then the third thing, we need to decide what we're going to do to solve the problem. Okay, so question 2. 3 students completed a test but got their results in different ways. The teacher told Karen that she got 0.7 of the questions correct. John was told he got 80% of the questions correct. And David was told he got 3/4 of the questions correct. Okay, so I'm just going to underline some of the key pieces of information that I'm seeing in here. Okay. Part A. Which student got the best result? Give a reason for your answer. Okay, so 2 parts to this question really. First of all, we need to figure out who got the best result. And then the second part, we need to give a reason for our answer. Okay, so I'm going to write out the key pieces of information. So we know Karen got 0.7, John got 80%, and David got 3/4. So what we should be noticing here or paying attention to is that we know how to change numbers from decimals to percentages to fractions. So what we're going to do is change these numbers that are in 3 different formats into the same form so we can clearly see who got the best result. I'm going to change all of the numbers into percentages. Okay, so to change 0.7, that's a decimal number, we need to multiply it by 100 and we get 70%. So Karen got 70%. And when we have a fraction, again, we multiply it by 100. We get 300 over 4. So this is 75%. Now we have all the details in percentages. So we can see that John has the best result. So our answer is John. Now we need to give a reason for our answer. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the maths to help us to explain ourselves. So our reason for him getting the best is, well, John got 80%. Karen got 70%. And David got 75%. Okay, in part B, there were 20 questions on the test. How many questions did Karen, John, and David answer correctly? Okay, so we know the percentage that each person got. So we're going to use this now to help us with part B. Okay, so there's 20 questions on the test. We need to, first of all, for Karen, find 70%. Then we need to find 80% for John and 75% for David. Okay, so 20 questions multiplied by 70%. So we get 14 questions correct. We could have also multiplied this 20 by 0.7 and we would have got the same answer. Okay, so Karen got 14 questions correct. Okay, the next part, we need to find how many John got correct. So again, we have 20 questions multiplied by 80% this time. And we get 16 questions. And then the last one, for David, we're looking for 75%. So we get 15 questions. For more information, go to www.PositiveMaths.ie. You can email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie and find us on Facebook and Twitter.